7 now in Georgia, a medical community in mourning. This comes after a well-known doctor died in a plane crash. Meadows Surgical Arts says Dr. Lionel Meadows was traveling alone over the weekend to visit family. Reports show his small plane went down in Tennessee during a storm on Sunday night. His practice was based in the Commerce area that's not too far away from Athens. Meadows Surgical Arts releasing a statement on Facebook saying in part, quote, "He was a brilliant surgeon and a doctor who touched the lives of so many with kindness and passion for delivering exceptional patient care. Dr. Meadows was known for praying with each of his patients before surgery, and we ask for your prayers now as we mourn his death," end quote. The exact cause of the crash is still under investigation.